Hmm. Coffee was wrong. Heads up, guys. Bitcoin's crashing again. Yeah, just for information. Yeah, today we're going to talk about our trading. Today we're going to talk about our Bitcoin again and see what's going on. So, if you haven't watched this before, it's Rob Guilty. It's all about the stock market. Let's get to it, guys. Let's talk about this. So yeah, once again, Bitcoin crashed down all the way down to the 32,000, sort of did a dead cat bounce back up to the 36,000. But the big thing this week is everyone was talking about the dreaded death cross. If you don't know what the death cross is, that's the 50-day moving average heading through the 200-day moving average, and when it crosses through, it's a death cross. Okay, I think it probably happened on the weekly chart, I don't know. But if you look at this chart on the daily chart, it's also quite interesting. So let's get this up and running and let's go and have a wee look, shall we? Now, if you look at what it did this week, okay, it sort of dropped all the way down here to what's that, 30,000. I haven't really been watching. If anybody knows me, you all know that I don't trade Bitcoin. I don't touch it. I don't trust cryptocurrencies, and in fact, you might wake up tomorrow morning and it's all gone. So, just out of interest, guys, I've got a view on this, and my view is that if cryptocurrency is going to work, it has to be attached to, say, a dollar or a currency or something like that, or a country, and then it'll have some kind of reserve bank value, or have some kind of asset value. At the moment, I believe it's linked to fresh air, so, and then you can explain blockchain technology to me all you want. You can talk to me about all your profits. I can talk to you about all your losses. This is a very volatile product. Okay, so where are we at the moment? We're at okay, let's see. Okay, so it dropped all the way down to 30 odd. Shot all the way back up to 37,000. Can you believe it? It actually went all the way back up, and then she dropped back down to 35, and today she's sitting on around 36. But guys, there's your 50-day on the daily, right? On the weekly, it's a bit worse. I'm not going to change it over. And there's a 20-day moving average. I think, yeah, it's a 20, and it's already coming down. Flying into this 200-day moving average down here. So when the 50 and the 200 come through, that's the death cross, right? The golden cross is when it goes the other way, and that happened quite way back, quite a long time ago. But if you look at all of these averages, they're all pointing down, and they're all coming towards this 200-day moving average, and the price keeps on testing it. It's tested it now no less than 1, 2, 3, 4 times now. 4 times in the last couple of weeks it's tested the 200-day moving average. So what's happening there is it's bouncing off the 200-day moving average. The buyers are coming back in and trying to hold it up. If it goes through this and confirms, and the moving average comes through as well, I can tell you now, if the moving average comes through the death cross, everyone's going to run. That's going to go. So I'm predicting her to go down to about, let's see what this last level was here, 17.8, somewhere there. There's a very good possibility it's going to come down to there, and it could come even all the way down to 10,000, right? But probably 17.8, 19,000, somewhere around this level here. You can see where the last sort of area where she was flagging is, and then you've had this run up, and she's coming down. So it looks like very well she could come all the way back down to the 20,000, 17,000 mark. So if you're in this, be careful, watch what you're doing. Like I've said to all the people I know, this is the last product on earth that I'll touch any cryptocurrency, okay? Because as far as I'm concerned, they're all based on nothing. They're all based on fresh air, and at the end of the day, governments are going to take them over anyway, and you're going to wake up tomorrow morning and this is going to be history, okay? It's not going to be there. Somebody else would have taken it over. Governments want to own it because at the end of the day, if they own it, they've got the power, they've got the control. They can switch you on and off, whoever's behind it. Like this, you're in control, the private enterprise is in control. They don't really want that at the end of the day. So, how's the trades going anyway? anyway, guys, shall we have a look quickly? Remember last week we talked about British American tobacco as a punt, very good. So got in 521 somewhere down there. Let's have a look here at the levels, and 524, sorry. And then she's gone up now all the way up to the 549 and back down to the 543, but this one could go up and test the 200 day at 555 again. Hopefully she gets through, and then the level here, or the resistance is at 589, which is quite good. I mean, it's been trading in this range for almost a year. It's been trading in this range, so between 520 and 590. So I'm not saying you're going to get into 590. I'm not saying you're going to get it up there. You might get 550 somewhere there. She's starting to go into overbought territory, so it might be worth dumping it, but we'll hold it for a bit longer and see how she goes. Okay, so that hasn't been too bad. That's been quite a decent one. And then you'll remember we talked about Cecil, and she has actually started to look more positive. She's going back up, and if you got in at this lower level here of what was it, around 220, 230, somewhere there. She's at 237 now. Could go all the way back up to 250, but you've got to watch out. There's a bit of a head and shoulders here. Look at that. There's a shoulder, there's a head, there's a shoulder. So just be aware of that. It could be tricky. She could come down and hurt you. But she's in oversold territory at the moment, and she is starting to cross and go up. So it's a good punt if you want to go that way. Not bad at all. And then S&P still going up. Lovely trades these. Still going up. Still flying all the way to the top. So no concerns there. We'll just keep loading up on that one. Fantastic. So yeah, guys, that's it for this week. I'm not going to do much else. Looking good. Heads up. Bitcoin's crashing. Just keep an eye on that. Don't stay in that. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're looking to learn how to trade the stock market, don't ask me. Go down to the description. There's a whole lot of books that you can get involved in and what have you. I'm just here to chat to you on a weekly basis of what's going on and what's happening, and I just love discussing Bitcoin, even though I don't trade it, because it's such a flashy thing at the moment. Cryptocurrencies, everyone's like, this is happening, and that's going down, and there's so many different points of view. There's those that are positive about it, and those like myself that are totally negative about it, and there's people out there that will try and teach me. Good luck, guys. I'm not interested. As far as I'm concerned, it's a load of rubbish, and it always will be, until such time as it relates itself to a strong asset of some sort, a country or whatever the case. A crypto won't be worth its weight in anything, because what are you actually trading it with? You're trading it against someone else. It's basically a gamble. That's all it is, and it is very volatile. You can see that it's jumping in thousands, up and down. And I can see a lot of people getting hurt here. So be careful, watch out for it. Guys, till next time, like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoy this, maybe you don't. It's the worst stock market channel on the planet, so there you go. Till next time, thanks for watching. It's Rob Gilty. Cheers.